friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 4. So today I wanted to show you around some of the framing we've done to open up this kitchen space to the rest of the house. It is so fantastic, I can't even tell you. Standing here behind me is our front door, right? So now when we walk in the front door, we've got this grand, large, open kitchen. Can you believe that? That all is going to be the kitchen space. We've got the nice pony wall there, framed for the island. We've still got our soffits because they hold the air conditioning and heating ductwork for the master bedroom and for this open area. But can you believe how open that is? Isn't that fantastic? Oh my goodness. We've got the shutters down off the windows there on the back of the house so that you can see all that. But this is going to be such a nice, wide, open kitchen space. Soffit here, we're evaluating the possibility of getting this handy dandy soffit over here to maybe go bye-bye or be condensed some. We've had Joel with our HVAC company out to help evaluate if we can get our ductwork from this vent up here across to that back wall, because that serves for that Arizona room, which is going to be fantastic when it's open to this space. We framed that opening a little bit differently just to be able to put 2 barn doors on it so that they will open and close that room itself. It'll feel like such a nice space in there. This is where our wet bar is going to be. So convenient and easy to access right here from our kitchen space. Oh my goodness, friends. Isn't that fantastic? Awesome, awesome, awesome. We've got lighting done. Our can light locations are in. We won't know where all of those are. Right now, it just looks like Swiss cheese, right? But can light locations are in. We've got electrical hanging down from the ceiling so that they can reroute those wires for appliances. We've got some, smoke detectors sitting on the island also so that they can be located throughout the house. Isn't this just coming along so good? I'm so excited about it. For Coffee and Construction in Tempe, thanks for being on this journey with us, friends. We couldn't do it without you. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you. You've got.